You act like it's raining or something.
Yeah, I blame it on Trump.
You act like it's raining or something.
Yeah, I blame it on Trump. If I could get them out, all these eggs. Thanks, Trump. All right, so today is raining real bad and I can't build how I want to. We're gonna try to finish the bathroom, but it's super, super nasty. I was taking a shower trying to beat the rain and the thunder and lightning because my mom always said don't take showers when it's lightning outside. So, sorry Mom. But I looked out the window and I'm gonna show you guys something. I know I'm dark right now, but I'm trying to show something, but if you look right here, our ducks are swimming in our freaking yard because it's flooded so much. So I'm gonna go show you guys real quick. Jaylena's gonna kill me because I'm out in the rain with her iPhone. But, oh well, I got it covered with my hat. Look at that, guys. They are swimming in our front yard. How insane is that? Swimming ducks in our front yard. Our garden is getting flooded, but the rabbit is over there in her area, her little thing, which is dry. It's on the high part. So, look at this, guys. Our front yard, our dead windmill, but it's just flooded. Bandit, what are you doing? Guys, this is why we can't build. Look, it's underwater. It is just pouring out here today. Bandit, why are you out in the water? It's just pouring, guys. So we're gonna try to make the best of a horrible day.
So quick update on the chicks since it's raining outside. They can't really go outside. They're doing great. They're growing their chicken feathers in. They're getting so big. 2 of them have actually stayed quite small, so we're really curious to see what they look like. And then one of them, one of our big black ones, he or she keeps jumping up on the side, and he's the only one, and he just perches up on the side. He doesn't jump out or anything. He'll just turn around and jump back in if anything. So let me show you which one does that. It is this one right here. He lets me pet him. They're doing great. They're staying warm. It is pretty cold today, but they're doing awesome and they're growing super fast. This is what we have been feeding them for chick starter, along with some scrambled eggs, maybe once a day or so. If you have any advice on chicks, as always, leave any advice or tips in the comment section below. We love hearing from you guys. And this is the second time that we've raised chicks, and we love it. We love being able to watch them grow, and we just get attached. We get attached to them over time, and we can't wait to get more. So with the cold weather and the rain, last night Jared got home and he brought all of his plants inside because it's just too cold outside. And since I'm so nice, I'm going to go ahead and water them for him. He'll probably do this again when he gets home. He put these little stick things in there. They are supposed to help the plants grow, so we're really curious to see if it actually works or not. And I don't know if that's how you're supposed to place them, but that's how he placed them. So Jason and I bought some seeds today. We're not going to plant them today, but I just wanted to show you what some of the stuff that we got. So we got some spinach and lettuce some other lettuce, some more lettuce, and some more lettuce. So in case you didn't catch that, we got a bunch of lettuce. Jason and I eat salads almost every single day, even if it's just a snack, if it's lunch, or if it's dinner. We always fit at least one salad in a day. It's usually a Caesar salad with no croutons. Sounds spectacular, right? It is. It actually is really delicious. Jason will eat croutons. I just don't eat croutons because they're not keto, but I do add in chopped cucumbers because it gives you that crunchy sensation that you get from cucumbers, and it kind of gives you that satisfaction of the crunchiness. So I know that ranch and Caesar are both good keto dressings. Do you guys, if you do keto, if you know about keto, do you have any dressing suggestions that I could try? Because I'm thinking about maybe, broadening my horizons when it comes to our salad dressings. So if you have any suggestions, of course, leave them down below. Like always, thank you.
Are you supposed to be up there, mister?
It's too cool for school, breaking all the rules.
Get back in there, boy. Better get back in there. Good boy. Trained him well.
So, Jason, what are you doing?
Something pretty special here, I think. All of you guys keep telling us, well, we kind of put the idea out and we asked if you guys would buy shirts or anything like that. So, we are trying to take this more serious and turn this into our full-time job, if you want to call it that. Not really the money, but the effort. Somebody's messaging us or commenting on YouTube. We're trying to put the effort into this as a real full-time job. And so what we are trying to do is this. So, we didn't want to show it too much or anything like that. So don't go back and screenshot it and look at it, people.
You gave them the idea.
I know, I just messed up. But if you could do that, good for you. But we're going to launch this very soon. I'm the one coming up with the designs, so I'm not the best at this, but I'm trying. Well, we're all coming up with the designs. I'm just the one designing them in Photoshop. But if you guys have any other things, we're going to try to do like Crocker Doodle Doo, Good Enough. We want to do a special one. Not right now. We got to get it created. But of our parents, of characters of my mom and dad, and have the mom and dad t-shirt. How awesome is that? I know I would rock it. I know Johnny's Creekside Cabin will do it. And so, not that I'm calling you out, but I am. But I think that'd be super cool and show our support for our parents and, y'all support. So we have some cartoon shirts that of us that we're going to put up soon. The guy that's creating our logo is fantastic. He is going to send us the sketch of it this week, and then we're going to approve it, and then he's going to do all the color and all that. So we're super, super excited for that. That's going to be a really cool design. We may do a limited edition of them and have them for super cheap where we don't even make a profit on it. I don't know yet. We'll see. But we'll just see how you guys feel about that. But we're going to come up with some cool stuff. It's on its way. Whenever we do get this launched, we're going to not shove it down your throat. You don't have to buy it. We just think it's cool. We're going to get shirts for ourselves as well. And, if you do buy something, take photos of it, send it to us. We want to put you guys in our vlog, put you on our Instagram, put you on our Facebook and all that. We have gotten a few people already that want to send us something. So that's pretty cool. We didn't expect it to be that quick of a response. But so you guys that have already reached out, thank you so much. It's blowing us away. But I'm going to get back to designing some stuff. Jared is about to be home any minute now. So we're going to kind of show him the idea because I'm not really sure if he knows yet. But he's about to be home, so we're going to try to figure out some more stuff to do on this rainy day. What'd you think of the shirt designs?
I thought it was actually pretty good. I love the Crocker t-shirts, but I wish we had hats. So I'm looking into making hats for the Crocker Homestead. As you can see in our videos, Jason and I are always wearing hats. He likes his backwards. I like the trucker style facing forward. If you know anybody that designs hats, leave a link below or send us a message on Facebook or Instagram because we'd like to buy some. How many of you would like to have this face on a t-shirt that says, "Good enough"? Throw some comments below and let me know. So I was at work earlier and my phone kept vibrating. On my lunch break, I was looking on my phone and saw that we have new people on our Patreon account. I just wanted to give you guys a shout out. Shout out to Urban Organic Mirth, Glenda Faye Baldwin, Tracy Gotcher, Lewis Gordon, David Vadir, Mariah Luna, San Antonio, and then Daryl Snyder. We want to say thank you guys for joining our Patreon account. We love that you guys are investing in us, and we want to invest in you. So thank you so much for all the support. You know what really chaps my hide? It really doesn't, but there's always one person that dislikes every single video we do.
One person.
I am calling you out. You know who you are.
You always do it before you even watch our video, because as soon as we upload it, you already disliked it.
I'm calling you out. I want to see if you have enough balls to comment on this video letting us know who you are. So
I doubt you will.
everybody that's watching this video, look down in the comments and let's see if this guy or girl will actually do it. Jalen looks pissed in the back.
She's supposed to. So,
That's my. It's just little faces.
So, we know we said, thanks Trump, and we were mad at Trump all day for ruining our day yesterday. Here's why. It was President's Day. We went to the post office to figure out what our post office box would be, and to get these bad boys, if I could pull them out, our keys to our P.O. box, but it was closed.
Oh man, can I have one?
So we said, Trump. We don't care about politics. We don't care what you think about politics. We don't hate Trump. We don't love Trump. We just
Trump.
Trump. And so don't leave us comments saying, why do you hate Trump? Or why do you love Trump? Or blah, blah, blah. We don't talk politics on here. So, just making that clear is why we said, thanks Trump, as Jared's zooming in. But, so, no politic comments, please. And if you comment, why do you hate Trump? Then you didn't watch this far, and we're going to call you out. Alright, so to end the night, I was checking messages or comments on YouTube, just going through them and stuff, and this viewer randomly left her number and said if we're ever going through her area, to give her a call, check out her land and stuff. So, I figured, why not, since it's rainy, we've been trying to figure out stuff to do all day, why not just give her a call? So, let's call her real quick and see if she even answers. She has no idea we're calling. Check the number. Alright, here we go. Her name is Cindy. I don't know if she'll answer.
Hello?
Yes, is this Cindy Johnson?
Yeah, it's me.
Hi, this is Jason Crocker from the Crocker Homestead.
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing good. I figured it's just raining here today and you gave me your number, so I would just call and say hi.
Well, hello. Yeah, it's raining here too. We got some bad storms coming in.
Oh no. Yeah, our whole yard is flooded. So is there anything that you would like to say to all the other viewers or to Jared or Jaylena or anything?
Yes, don't give up on your dream.
Yeah.
Things are possible as long as you put two hands together and make it happen.
That's right. Well, I think Jared and Jaylena want to say hi to you real quick.
Hi, Cindy.
Okay. Hey, how are you?
I'm great.
Hey, I appreciate you guys, all three of you.
Thank you so much. We appreciate you.
Thank you, Cindy. It's Jared. Crocker Diddle-doo!
Listen, you're gonna have to quit farting so much.
I don't think that's possible.
Hey, when you gotta go, you gotta go.
Well, there's more room on the outside than there is on the inside. I'd hate to see you up on a tower or a ladder and blow up.
Yeah. It almost made him lift off that ladder like a rocket.
Right? Right? They need that to pump the hole in the ceiling.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I guess we're gonna. I guess I'm gonna have to.
Y'all have a good night, and I appreciate you calling.
Yeah, of course.
I gotta get out here and fix these boys some supper.
Oh man, you gonna mail us some?
Well, why don't y'all come down sometime? We'll fire up the smoker and drink some cold Bud Light and have a bonfire.
Well, it sounds like we might be on our way there soon.
Well, God bless y'all. Y'all have a good night.
You too, and thank you again for watching.
Thank y'all for posting.
Yep. All right. Well, you have a good one.
You too, hon.
All right. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.